Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and here I am for the solution for the previous video. So I have asked you to replace all the pin code with this pin code which is 110011. So let's see how to do that. Replace and old text is this one. Starting number, I need to get to the starting number of pin code. So I will not be able to give 1. However, I may give space 1, or there is another solution. As a starting number, definitely I will have to apply a find function. But what I am looking for? I am looking for pin code. So how I can get a pin code? By applying a write function. In write, text is this and number of characters is 6. So this particular function of write will give me the pin code, which is the find text of find. So in find function I have applied a write function which will give me pin code. So what I am looking for? I am looking for pin code within text here. So it will give me the starting number. Old text is A2 and as a starting number I have applied this function. Now from this starting number, how many number of characters I want to replace, which is 6, comma, and what's going to be the new text? New text will be 110011. I'm having the option of typing this number without quotation because this is a value, but as a habit you may type 110011 within the quotation also. There is no harm in that. And there we go. So all the pin code has been replaced with 110011. In the previous video, if you had that question that why we are going to apply a function if tool is working so well, this is the answer to this, because tool will not be able to do that. There is some difference between Control H tool and this function, and the difference is Control H, that tool replace text with text and the function replace on the basis of position. That's the reason this was being possible through this. Now let's get into the second task, which is a bit tricky one. It is to replace all the city with India. Let's start. Replace old text is this one, comma, starting number, we need to get to the starting number of city and we have done it previously also. So find, we are going to find in, because this is common, and within text here plus 3. So this particular function will give me the starting number of city, then number of character. Number of character, again it's not similar, so I'm going to give something more, 25 let's say, and new text is India, bracket close, enter. Because starting point is city and after that number of character we want to replace, we have given something big which is 25, so you'll not find the pin code. However, you will find that in place of city, India is coming. Now how to get the pin code? It is very simple. Look at the formula bar. Here I'm going to apply concatenate. In concatenate, text 1 is complete function. This is the function up till India which is giving me this output, and as a text 2 I'm going to apply write function because I need to get the pin code. So write text is this one and number of character I required is 6 for the pin code, 7 for the space as well. It will consider space, so we will not to give that extra. So bracket close, again bracket close, enter. So we have the answer. So this is how you may apply a replace function with other nested functions also. In the previous video I have told you that concatenate function is very important, and there is one example of it. So give a try. We have not done we are not done, and we are going to do some more text functions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.